Nya, 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 nya.
You've had it, Rip-Rap. Whoa!
Yow!
Yes, and Froggen!
Hey, Clancy, what do you want us to do with them?
Nothing right now. Hello, lads. How are you doing?
What do you mean, how are we doing? We were doing fine till you guys came along. What do you want, anyhow?
We don't want nothing. We just wanted to give you notice to pack your things.
What do you mean, pack our things?
Me boys and I are taking over the junkyard, so you two and those other 3 clowns are going to have to vacate.
Says who?
Says us, the dirty dogs.
You're
You're
the
the
dirty
dirty
dogs?
You want to make something of it, Mutt?
Nope, I was just asking.
I see you've got a soccer ball there. You know how to play?
Oh, I've played a little in the old country, lad. Have a go, lad.
I've played a little soccer myself, laddie. Would you like a little contest?
What kind of contest, me boy?
How about if you dirty dogs play a soccer game against us? The winner gets the junkyard. The losers have to leave.
Well, boys, we've been challenged. Shall we accept?
It won't even be close. We'll annihilate the bums.
All right, then. It's settled. We'll come back here tomorrow. You better do some practicing, laddie.
Are you crazy? We can't beat those guys in a soccer game.
Have you got a better idea?
No,
Exactly. So we need you to play for our team, Cleo. And Bush, we want you to be our manager.
Play for your team? Are you crazy? Why would I want to do a thing like that?
Well, because if we all lose our home in the junkyard, we'd have to move in here with you.
You're right. I'll play.
Good. We've got to work as a team. If we do that, we've got a chance. How about the rest of you guys? Did you ever play soccer?
I can hold my own.
Okay. How about you, Wordsworth? Ever play?
I play a mean tambourine.
Good, Wordsworth. Real fine. How about you, Mungo?
No, I've never played a tambourine, but I guess I could learn.
Oh. Bush, you've got to manage this team. Think you can do it?
Of course I can manage this team. I'm as sharp as anyone.
We're in trouble.
So excited! I've never been to a game before. I can hardly wait until it starts.
Yay, yay, here we go. Yay, yay.
Today's match pits the undefeated Dirty Dogs against the unenviable Junkyard Joke.
What's the meaning of all this junk all over the field?
That stuff was too big to move, so we left it. The ground rules are that any team can use anything on the field during the game.
That's ridiculous.
Exactly. Attaboy, Leroy. Heads up, Hector.
Yay! Go!
Yay, team!
The Junkyard Jokes now lead 1-0.
Just luck, me lads, just luck.
Are you sure you played this game before, laddie?
Really?
This riffraff kid is something, folks. He looks unstoppable.
Go, team, go!
Way to go!
Let's get him.
Phew.
Yay, team! Yay, team!
All right, gang, you're doing great.
We are bad, lad.
I didn't do anything bad, did I?
Oh, stifle yourself, Mungo.
You're doing a great job, Leroy. Without you, we wouldn't stand a chance. Now, let's go.
Hey, let me out of here. Stop. Come on.
Has anybody seen Leroy?
Goalie's ready?
We're in trouble now. Hey, Bush, come here. You'll have to play goalie till we find Leroy.
Goalie? I've never played goalie before.
Spare me the ugly details and get out there. Bush, this way. That's their goal.
Looks like a great goalie, laddie.
All right, Clancy. Where's Leroy?
I don't know what you're talking about, lad.
Whoa!
How did this get here?
Thank you, Bush.
Oh, no!
Yay!
Riffraff, I've got an idea. Bush can smell a steak a mile away. So, what we should do is...
Hey, Mungo, I got a job for you.
Shush. Shush.
Oh no, the dog ate our steak.
5-5, folks. It's a tie.
Here's the steak, Riffraff.
Perfect.
I smell steak. But Joey, that's not steak.
Leo!
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
I got it!
2, 1. Game's over.
You big dope. Why, I oughta...
Yikes! Come back here.
2, 4, 6, 8. Who we appreciate our team, our team. Yay!
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Who won?
We make a great team.